Nicco Engineering Services Limited, India's premier specialty industrial maintenance company, empowered by the mission of providing top-notch quality and ever-expanding services. NESL aims to become the best specialty industrial maintenance service provider by making plants run more efficiently by minimizing downtime. Equipped with a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit and an advanced lab facility, NESL has provided customers a host of benefits like reduction in energy wastage and expenses, plant safety and low noise and pollution levels, with an enviable presence in all core sectors of engineering, starting from thermal and nuclear power, petrochemical, refineries, steel, paper, marine, mining, to fertilizers. NESL is constantly harnessing expertise and capabilities to provide avant-garde services. Vibrantly exemplifying this is our online leak sealing technology, a first in India, initiated in 1981 in collaboration with Firmanite International Limited, UK.
We arranged a lot of plant visits, including petrochemical plants and power plants, thermal power plants, and he had come with people who actually did the demonstration of this technology, which was energy saving, and for the first time we got a phenomenal response from the potential clients.
NESL's services in leak sealing technology include formulation and development of specific compounds for different types of leaks that are being constantly upgraded to suit international standards. NESL's range of proprietary leak sealing compounds is put to action under low pressure brass wire by the caulking method, and the company executes online leak sealing technology through both high and low pressure. NESL is also the sole and proud distributor for belzona range of cold repair polymeric compounds produced at the advanced facilities of Belzona Polymerics Limited. The company not only possesses deep know-how of the product but also has ready access to the technological breakthrough, thus meeting the increasing demands of the industry. In a further bid to widen its expertise and facilitate its clientele, NESL has also forayed into the field of on-site machining. Armed with the state-of-the-art portable machine tools, NESL has helped increase plant productivity and longevity by saving costs in transportation, logistics, labor and time. With this service, NESL ensures repairs and modifications to the machines at the site itself. Also taking forward this portion of expertise is our valve test service, considered a major technological breakthrough in online under pressure testing. Our other services include metal stitching, fleet fusion spiral welding. At NESL, proper training of workers is of paramount importance, and the company stresses on regular and continuous training methods at par with the latest trends in the industry. In short, you are assured of avoiding a plant shutdown and keeping production running smoothly at all times. With branch and site offices throughout India, NESL is known for its fast and reliable round-the-clock service. Furthermore, there are numerous site offices in major industrial towns all over India and a national dealer network.
Our goal is to have someone within an hour or 2 hours from every major industrial plant in the country, and really give people even in remote locations the opportunity to subject their plant to the world's best practice in maintenance and achieve globally recognized parameters of asset uptime.
Our adherence to be at par with the latest technology reflects in the many accolades and appreciation we have received in the industry. At NESL, we are committed to shaping businesses and industries and making them function smoothly and sustainably. Because, for us, innovation lies not only in changing opportunities into possibilities, but also in changing possibilities to progress.